Hey everybody, it's Kelly from GME, and today is a home vlog. I don't know, we're hanging out, football's on, Sunday, doing nothing vlog. So, here's my thoughts. I wanted to pumpkin spice one whole vlog, but we're gonna make a week's worth of vlogs of pumpkin spice stuff. But today, we're gonna start with just what we're gonna have for dinner. So I'm not gonna teach you how to cook it, just kinda, you can watch my process. We're trying burrito tacos for the first time. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. I've watched so many videos and YouTube videos and read blogs and watched TikToks, and I'm giving it a try from everything that I've been researching. So we're in the middle of that. We're also going to make Spanish rice to go along with those, and I am making a gluten-free cornbread. But I need a pumpkin spice thing for today, so I'm thinking dessert. So how about, instead of Rice Krispie treats, we do pumpkin spice Cheerio bars. I think we're going to teach you how to make those at the end. So let's check out and see how the tacos are coming. Here's our tacos. We have meat in there, our chilies, onions, spices. There's clove and cinnamon and garlic and onion. Did I say onion? Lots of chili, meat. There's a whole mess. Bay leaves. And this is gonna simmer. And we're gonna go from there. So, fingers crossed. It smells amazing. The house smells amazing from this. I love this already. I don't know about you guys, but this, I wish you could smell my house. It's incredible. This looks so good. We're just simmering now. We have to simmer for like 4 hours. My God, I'm excited for this. I tried a little bit of the broth already. It's good. Yeah. So let's move on. Let's make our cornbread, so that's ready for tonight. We have to make our rice closer to when this is ready. And just, we could sit here and just stare at this all day. Yeah. It's pretty. So we're going to bake this at 400 degrees. We got that? Yeah, we got that. Alright, preheat in the oven, 400 degrees. We're going to bake, and then we're going to grease a loaf pan as well. Actually, just going to use this because it makes still a loafy loaf pan. But we're going to grease this up and get this ready to go, and then I'm going to show you what to put in for the cornbread. So to a large bowl, we're going to add 3/4 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup of flour. So I use this. It's gluten-free baking flour. This is what I'm going to use. Alright, so cornmeal, flour. To this we will add 2.5 tablespoons of granulated white sugar. Okay? So, 1 teaspoon, that's a teaspoon, of baking soda and baking powder. It calls for cream of tartar. I don't even know how to say that. Tartar. Come on, let's be honest. I don't have any, which is odd. So I'm going to use baking soda in place of that. No, I'm not. I'm going to use baking powder in place of that. So baking soda was called for, 1 teaspoon. And instead of 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, whatever, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. I have pink Himalayan salt. That's why it's pink, obviously. I don't think that makes much of a difference. Moving on, we're going to do our wet ingredients. So here we go. 1 cup of sour cream. Okay, 1 large egg beaten. Alright, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1/4 cup of milk. Now it says to mix this with a spoon, but don't overmix it. stick in your loaf pan, and then we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. So let's mix this up, see what it looks like. All right, here's our mixture. It's put in, it's spread. I didn't overbeat it. I didn't overmix this. I just licked some off my finger, and it had a nice sweet taste to it. I'm hoping it doesn't get over dry, because that's one thing I really don't like about cornbread. I like when I put cheese and stuff in it, but this I'm just going to try plain. And then we can go from there with this recipe, because it is on the bit of a sweeter side. So we're going to stick this in 30-35 minutes until it's done. And let's see the results. Our bread is out of the oven. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh, it's mad hot. So we're going to let it cool down, and we'll try a slice. Let's check on the tacos. Oh. How are we doing over here? That looks fantastic. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how it just slid out so easily. Oh, it's actually, I could feel it, like, oh, it has moisture. It's not dry. Let's try it. We're gonna try the gluten-free sour cream cornbread. My God. It's moist. It's a hint of sweet. It's, oh my God, it's good. It like crumbles in your mouth. It's, I guess, gluten-free flour. I don't know. I don't really know what difference. It tastes like cornbread. This is a great recipe. Try this. I will link where I got it. It was a blog that I found, and I'm going to link that in descriptions below to try this yourself. You don't have to use gluten-free. Hers doesn't with the flour. I just substituted that. And also I substituted the baking powder for cream and tartar, but do it either way. This needs nothing. I have a little pat of butter on there. I don't even think it needs the butter. This is fantastic. This is so good. All right, we've taken out our peppers, our onion, everything that was going on in that pot, and we've added it to our mixer with some juice and some water. You know what? I'm going to add a fresh tomato from the garden. Let me go pick that, get that in there as well, because I think that would just be a good fresh add to this. So stay tuned. All right, we're going to put that right back in this pot. What? All right, let's let it simmer some more. Oh my gosh. The smells. I'm excited. I'm hoping this is amazing. I know I'm not making this probably correctly, and everybody's probably going to be like, yeah, that's not even right. I don't know, but this smells great. So, yeah, awesome. Stay tuned. We're just waiting on everything to get done. We're going to make rice soon, but let's make our pumpkin spice cheerio bars, since that is why we're vlogging. To make pumpkin spice cheerio bars. Everything else is an added, apparently. If you're liking this style of vlog, please take a second to stop what you're doing, pause, go give a big thumbs up, and comment down below #pumpkinspice. I'd love to know that you're liking these vlogs. I was going to do one big vlog, but I've turned it into a week's worth of pumpkin spice vlog. I have other amazing ideas for pumpkin spiced food items that we're going to make throughout the week. My family is going to hate pumpkin spice by the time this is done. But these pumpkin spice Cheerio bars, which are kind of like a Rice Krispie treat but with Cheerios, I think are going to be a hit. So let's do that. And then they're done. And then we don't have to worry about it. We just have to make our rice for dinner, and yeah. So, okay. We're getting on that now. Alright, so what we need is pumpkin spice Cheerios. We're going to need about half a stick of butter and pumpkin spiced marshmallows. Alright, so we took our marshmallows, we took our butter, and we put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds, and now I need to find a thing to mix it with. Stick with me. Stick with me. I'm one hand in this. We're going to mix this up until the butter melts. Oh my gosh, I need two hands. Alright, I need two hands. Hold on. Ew. It looks like slime. Alright, we're going to add our pumpkin spice Cheerios to this. About 6 cups. I'm totally winging this, guys. 6 cups, the whole pack, whatever you're adding. Whatever you're adding. We're not measuring. Is that 6 cups? TBD. Let's see. I'm going to leave some because the kid really likes it. Alright, there's enough for like a bowl. So let's just say 6 cups. Or almost the entire thing of Oreos. We'll mix this together and then put it in a pre-greased pan. Stay tuned again. Our mixture is in the pan. So basically this is just Rice Krispie treats. The way you make Rice Krispie treats, but with pumpkin spiced Cheerios and pumpkin spiced marshmallows. No difference. I have stuff on a spoon that didn't make it in. This is so messy. Yeah, do this. Do this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do this. This is fantastic. Alright, let's get on with the rice. We're going to have oil in the pan. We're going to add a cup of rice. And we are going to cook that. I guess we're going to toast the rice. We're going to cook this. I never made this before in my life. We're winging it, guys. Alright, our rice is going full swing. We're going to add to this. It's 1 cup of rice. We're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. Woo! Oh my god, that sounds so good. And we're also going to add a scoop of tomato paste. And when I mean scoop, I mean like it's just a spoonful of tomato paste. And we're going to mix this together. Get that going and working in there. And we're going to cover it and cook it. Do we need salt, pepper, anything like that in here? Do we add this now? I'm going to add this now. How about salt, pepper, and some cumin and garlic? I think that would be good. Let's add all that now. Alright, spices were added. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of cumin. It's boiling. We have the lid on, and we are going to wait until it's done. Keep an eye on it. I guess I should tell you that as soon as it started boiling, I took it down to low. So it's now just cooking the rice, and then once it's cooked, we're going to fluff it up, and we're going to add just like a mixed vegetable pack that I got. My kids like when the veggies are in it, and I like when my kids will eat the veggies in it. So we're going to add that as well. But we're just waiting for the rice to cook now, and it smells amazing. And the tacos smell amazing. My house smells awesome right now. So they're both going strong. Rice update. I just checked it. Oh, look at that. What's at our veggies now? It's almost fully cooked. I did fluff it up just a little bit. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. So let's add about a ½ cup of veggies. Let me show you. This is just your basic frozen veggie mix. I was looking for just the carrots and peas and couldn't really find any. I ran to Walmart quickly, and our Walmart was like not stocked, which I think all Walmarts aren't. But so I got the frozen veggie mix. I added about a ½ cup, not a lot, but just a little bit to add some flavor. I'm gonna put the lid back on, let this cook, let those veggies cook. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay, so we got our meat out. Watch how easily this starts to just fall apart. Look at this. It just completely shreds. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's get this going and make a taco. This is going to be awesome. We have a hot pan, and I realized that I actually don't have extra onion for this, so this is going to be interesting. But we're going to take our corn tortilla and dip it in all that yummy goodness. And then we are going to add it to this pan. Add some meat. This would be so much easier if I exchange. We need some cheese. Let's get some cheese going on there. And then we're going to flip it in half. Let's use our rice cooker to flip. Again, so much easier if I had two hands. Like that. Now you would add cilantro and onion to this as well, but we currently don't have any. So this is what we got. We're gonna work with what we got. Here it is, guys. What do you think? It looks good. Let's try it. All right, first bite. It's mad hot. Oh, that's delicious. It does need onion and a little bit of cilantro. And some of that dipping sauce would be amazing too, so we have to get that going. I just wanted to quick try it. Heat's great. Meat is tender. Flavor's all there. That's good stuff. Yes, I did not go over the whole recipe with you. I just added a bunch myself. My suggestion is to go and just research and see what you can find on burrito tacos and do your own thing. Or maybe you have a family recipe. Maybe I made this wrong. I don't know, but it's good. Regardless, it's very good. So if you like what you saw today and you haven't already, give a big thumbs up. Comment below. Again, you want to see more pumpkin stuff. Hashtag pumpkin spice. It doesn't matter. You're going to see it more anyway because I'm posting again tomorrow. In the meantime, until we eat again, stay geeky.